Freshman Pacing Colts lined up for tonight's 10th race, a full field of 11. Second leg, purse of $30,000. The run gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Nutmeg's Maya sprints out. Looks for the early lead. A-List also left well from in between horses, and Homestake is away quickly from along the inside as they race into the opening turn. And Nutmeg's Maya and Chris Page looking for the early lead. A-List away well from along the inside second. Talk It Up is also in the action early, still parked to the outside third. Homestake away in fourth. Kenzie's Beach Boy found a spot in fifth in front of Duel in the Sun. Came away sixth. Soda Pop is seventh in front of Derby Dillon eighth. It's a length and a half to Jude Hall, who races from ninth. Blatantly Best is 10th in the early going. And Summons is the trailer through an opening quarter of 28 seconds even. And Talk It Up, the 46-1 long shot, was up to take over, but now faces pressure from Homestake and Shetler, who are up on the outside and look for the top. Nutmeg's Maya now off the top pair in third. A-List remains along the inside fourth. Kenzie's Beach Boy is fifth as Duel in the Sun moves to the outside sixth. Soda Pop shoots the gap in seventh. They were past the half, 55-3, and now A-List is up to apply pressure to Homestake. Talk It Up now back along the inside third. Kenzie's Beach Boy is towed into it perfectly. Second over from fourth with 3/8 of a mile to go. Duel in the Sun is up on the outside third over from fifth. Nutmeg's Maya nowhere to go from sixth. Derby Dillon is fourth over from seventh. Blatantly Best moves into eighth, 3 wide, but still has plenty of work to do. They're past three quarters and 1:24-2. Homestake is given the cold shoulder to A-List. Kenzie's Beach Boy now moves up at the center of the track. Talk It Up shakes loose late. Duel in the Sun, though, moves up down the center of the track. Blatantly Best up on the far outside. Down to the two Cambest Colts. It's Duel in the Sun. Blatantly Best rough gated and makes a break. Blatantly Best off stride. So Duel in the Sun is going to sprint clear and win it easily. Talk It Up appeared to hold second. It was tight for third. Maybe Jude Hall. Derby Dillon was right there. Blatantly Best off stride as well. 153. Best off.